We all know that completing the square can be used to solve any quadratic equation, but it's not practical for solving all equations. This challenge motivates students to find a new solution method. And guess what it is? It's the quadratic formula, and that leads us into section B. And this is it. This is what we've been aiming at. This is where students are introduced to the quadratic formula. This has kind of been our target for the whole year. Once introduced to the formula, students apply it to solve contextual and abstract problems, including those they couldn't previously solve. But just like completing the square, while the quadratic formula can be used to solve any equation, it may not always be the quickest method. These lessons encourage students to consider how to use the different methods strategically. Notice that after gaining some experience using the formula, students investigate how the quadratic formula is derived. They find that the formula essentially encapsulates all the steps of completing the square into a single expression. So, breaking down the specific instructional aspects of these lessons, you'll see that Lesson 6 contains the nuts and bolts for how to use the formula, while Lesson 7 focuses on common errors, how students can double-check their work, and what the solutions actually mean within a context. And then Lesson 8 guides students through the derivation of the formula, actually using 2 different methods to derive it. Again, these lessons take advantage of opportunities to implement some of the new STAR item types. So keep a watch out for those.